You're listening to the Just Hyke Essentials Series, where movement, nature, and confidence come together. I'm your guide, Melanie Michaelchuk, and these short episodes are here to help you build trail strength, stay safe, and reconnect with the healing power of the outdoors. Let's begin. Hey friends, welcome back to the Just Hyke Essentials Series, where we help women build confidence, strength, and connection through nature and mindful movement. I'm Melanie Michaelchuk, your guide on this journey, and today we're talking about one of the biggest barriers women face when stepping out onto a trail, and it's confidence. Not gear, not fitness, not experience, but confidence. And the good news is, confidence is something we can build step by step, choice by choice, hike by hike. Today's episode is all about helping you feel safe, prepared, and centered every time you go outside. Let's get into it. Confidence comes from being prepared, not from perfection. Most women tell me that they want to hike more, but something holds them back. What if I get lost? What if I'm alone? What if something happens and I'm not prepared? These feelings are normal. They're not a sign that you shouldn't hike. They're a sign that you need a system. Confidence doesn't come from being fearless. Confidence comes from being prepared. When you know what to carry, like the 5 essentials we covered in episode 2, and you know what to do, your nervous system shifts from anxious to anchored. Preparedness creates peace. Knowledge creates confidence. So what are the 3 layers of trail confidence? I teach confidence in 3 layers. First one is awareness. Awareness is one of our greatest tools outdoors. Pay attention to the trail that you're on, the pace that you're doing, your surroundings, weather changes, and internal cues like hunger, thirst, and fatigue. Awareness leads to clarity, and clarity leads to confidence. Layer number 2 is your skills. Skills are simple, learnable, and empowering. A few examples include knowing how to follow a blazed trail, checking your route before you start, reading a basic map, understanding common hazards, knowing what to do when you encounter wildlife, and using your voice and body language to set boundaries. Turn fear into respect and respect into capability. Layer number 3, trusting yourself. This is one of the biggest things that women don't talk about, but it matters the most. Every single time you show up for yourself, you take a walk, you step on a trail, you pause to breathe outdoors. You're teaching your nervous system that you can do hard things. Nature builds self-trust, not by pushing us to our limits, but by giving us space to reconnect with our strength. Practical ways to feel more confident on your next hike. So here are some simple ways to increase your confidence immediately. First, go with a plan. Know where you are going, how long the trail is, and what time the sunset is going to happen. Tell someone where you're hiking. This is basic safety. Even a quick text can help you feel supported. Start with familiar trails. There's nothing wrong with going somewhere you already know. Something familiar builds comfort. And carry the 5 essentials: water, navigation, sun and weather protection, nutrition, and a safety tool. Having these things reduces 90% of hiking anxiety. Use your voice. Say hello to people on the trail. Confident hikers speak up. It creates connection and establishes presence. Number 6, trust your gut. If something feels off, a person, a trail, a situation, turn around. Your intuition is a tool. Number 7, consider a safety tool like the Just Hyke Trailmate. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and designed specifically for women who hike. Preparedness brings peace, and peace builds confidence. Part 4, the truth about confidence. You don't wake up one morning suddenly feeling confident. Confidence is built in the moments when you show up, when you lace up your shoes, even when you're unsure, when you choose the trail over the couch, when you take your first step into the forest, when you listen to your breath instead of your fears. Nature does not demand perfection. It simply asks you to be present. And every time you show up, you build a little bit more belief in yourself. In closing, thank you for joining me today on episode 3 of the Just Hyke Essentials Series. If this message resonated with you, I invite you to take your step into your next journey. Download Sidewalk to Summit, available on Amazon, join our email community at justhyke.com, or explore with the Just Hyke Trailmate, a tool designed specifically to help support confidence and preparedness on every trail. Remember, you are capable, you are strong, and the trail is waiting for you. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks again for listening to the Just Hyke Essentials Series. You can find more resources and support at justhyke.com. Keep moving, keep showing up, and see you in the next episode.